Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back and I want to show you my nighttime routine. My nighttime routine is a lot more thorough than my morning routine. And my morning routine is not that thorough because my nighttime routine kind of covers it for me. All I have to do in the morning really is wash my face. I don't even really need to use a product to wash my face. And I just moisturize it a little bit with something you will be seeing in this video, so stay tuned. If you're wondering what's going on with my hair right now, it is in this cap. I'll talk more about the cap in another video, but I'm doing a hot oil treatment right now. So I grab a little cotton pad and micellar water, and that's my favorite thing to do to remove makeup. I'm not wearing much. I did already shower, but I did not wash my face, so this is important. I'm only wearing some mascara and some concealer under my eyes, and I did fill in my brows a little bit, although it looks like it washed away in the shower. I don't have a lot going on. But micellar water is really good at just getting away everything. Sometimes I like to use this even after I wash my face with my soap because it's just so good at getting the spots that you missed. Now I'm going to be exfoliating. This is the Dermatologica Daily Microfoliant. I used this in my last skincare video and I still use it. I love it so much. It's a very fine powder. Ooh, I just poured out way too much trying to show you guys. But basically it's this powder and you just mix it in some water and it becomes like a paste. And then I just gently exfoliate. Now I towel dry before my next step. Now this is something that I recently started doing after speaking to an esthetician. They recommend that you tone in between your steps. And I will be using Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I just picked this up at Sephora. You know when you're checking out Sephora, they have all those items they sucker you into buying by just being so beautiful and tempting. Yeah. But the ingredients, I probably could make this myself, and I probably will eventually when I'm feeling up to it. But the ingredients are water, glycerin, rose flowers, etc., etc. Like it starts to say, you know, words that I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah. And basically toner, it does help to keep your skin nice and even, but it really helps to moisturize. And you know, with the washing, you are stripping a lot of your natural oils and you don't want to dry your skin out, so it's really good to moisturize in between your steps, in between your cleansing. That kind of sounds counterproductive. Why do you keep adding things just to wash it off? It's kind of like a pre-poo. Are you familiar with pre-pooing? It's, you know, when you put your oils or your conditioner in your hair before you shampoo it. Then you wash it out, then you condition it. It's sort of like that. It protects, a pre-poo protects your hair in the process of washing. So toner can do the same thing pretty much. Now I'm gonna get to the wash, the real wash, okay? And this is the Tea Tree Clearing Control Foam Cleanser, okay? This has been a relatively new addition. They reached out to me to try out the product, and if I liked it, I would review it, and I really do like it. So I'm gonna start by wetting my face first. I just applied a blop, you saw? Yes, it's very gentle. And then you just need to use your fingertips. You don't need to use a brush or exfoliating gloves or whatever. I already exfoliated, so that would just be extra. But because I exfoliated before this step, I can really feel it working more. Have you ever noticed that? Do you guys ever exfoliate before using your cleanser? You may notice that the cleanser feels like it's, you know, getting deeper into your skin to be more effective. So I'm just gonna add some more water to that. Tea tree is one of my favorite ingredients in face washes and even body wash products because it really helps with any acne that may come about. I've been breaking out, you know, it's tax season. I've been stressed out, okay? And I've also been improving my eating. So that coupled with, you know, some new additions to my skincare routine, I find that my skin is clearing up. You guys probably never saw it really bad because of filters, but trust me, I was breaking out. And you can probably see some like the remnants of my breakouts. Like that's a little acne scar there. That's a little bump that's still there. Acne scar there. But yeah, I was breaking out. But I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. But yes, that cleanser I really do adore. And one of my favorite things about this product, you know, I'm an ingredients girl. I love to look at the ingredients list. And you know, the first thing on the ingredients list is always the most abundant in the product. And this says tea tree leaf water. I personally love to infuse my oils with herbs. You know, that's why I have the horsetail leaf growth oil in my shop. I literally infuse those oils with the actual herbs, and the infusion process takes a long time, and that's why the oils are still strong and potent. Tea tree, now that's something I need to think about infusing into some oils, because tea tree obviously is really good for your skin, like I've just been telling you guys, but it's also good for your scalp, so I'll keep that in mind. But yes, I love me some herb infusion. Okay, can you guess what the next step is? Toning. If you guys remember, I just told you guys I learned to tone in between steps to replenish the skin. Another product that I like to use, which I won't be using tonight, is this Soothing Green Tea Wash Off Mask. I do care, D-E-W, do, Matcha Mood. And I like to use this. It doesn't dry on your skin. It stays pretty wet. So like, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it, but I'll just do a little patch. Oh, I want to do it to my whole face now. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Oh, it feels so good. So basically, this is a really cooling mask that I just apply and I let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I rinse off. It doesn't have to dry. I don't even think it's capable of drying. Well, I guess everything was capable of drying, right? Oh, but it says mask will not dry. Yeah, it's supposed to. You're only supposed to keep it on for like 5 minutes, so that's fine. But I really love to massage it into my skin because it feels so good. But yes, I don't use this every night. I just use it when I want to feel a little more luxury. But I also have this in a couple other scents. I almost said flavors, but they smell really good, like you want to eat them. So I'm gonna let this sit a little bit and come right back after I wash it out. Okay, so I washed it off and I'm gonna leave it wet. But I want to tell you a little bit more about why I think it's really important to have a more extensive nighttime routine versus a daytime routine. Well, one, most of us don't have time in the morning to do all these steps. So if you don't do it at night, then it won't get done. And yeah, we want our skin to be at its optimum, you know? So we don't want to completely omit these steps. We just got to do it in the nighttime when you have time. You are manipulating a lot with your face. And even if you put on SPF before you step out the house, it's still a lot. You kind of want to go to sleep. So that process of, you know, repair, which is what our body does every night when we go to sleep, let that process take place so that in the morning when we wake up after all that work we did on our face, we look like brand new. Okay, and now my last step, I will be using this Green Goddess oil, which I got from Avon. I believe it was Avon, right? Interesting, it doesn't even say, but I think it was Avon that sent me this facial oil, and it says 100 milligrams of CBD. I don't have the packaging anymore, but on the package it pretty much led me to believe that the CBD is not too abundant in here. Although it is present. CBD, I know that internally it's really good for anxiety, and topically it's very good for pain. So it's a really good oil to use to, you know, calm your skin after that extensive cleaning. And yes, I did just use a lot. I like to use a lot more than I would typically use. Like if I was just to moisturize my face to go out, I would not wear this much. But I do like to put a lot before I go to bed so my face could just drink it up. A lot of people feel like, oh no, I can never do that, my skin is oily. If your skin is oily, that's because truly your skin is dry. And your skin is producing a lot of oil because your skin is so dry. If you were to add oil to your skin, it will train your oil to not produce so much. So it's like, again, that's something that sounds counterproductive, but it works. It's very helpful. And it just feels so nice. I just want to keep massaging my face. But I need to take my contacts out and go to bed. So that's what I am doing currently. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, love, for the tea tree cleanser. I love it. I'll have a link down below for you to shop. Thank you for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.